Hey guys, this is Enrique with Pragmatic Reviews. So let's review Rank Math SEO. Rank Math SEO is a WordPress plugin. So in order to install it, you need to go to Plugins, you go to Add New, and you have to search for Rank Math SEO, and it's this one, WordPress SEO plugin, Rank Math, this one. I have already installed this plugin, so I'm going to show you one of the posts and how you can use this plugin in order to SEO optimize your content. So let's go to the post. This is the post, actually. Learn on page SEO in 2019. It includes some text, some links, it includes a video. So let's go to the post editor in WordPress. And this is the Rank Math SEO. And this is where you need to put your target keyword or focus keyword. In this case, the keyword is learn on page SEO. So these are the checklists provided by this plugin. There is a basic SEO checklist, then an additional checklist, a title readability checklist, and a content readability checklist. So the first one, the basic SEO, is almost all green except the length of the content. The recommendation is the minimum recommended content length is 600 words, and this post only includes 379 words. So if I want to improve my ranking, I need to add some more content here. The rest of the things of the basic SEO checklist are okay. I'm using the focus keyword in the SEO title. This is the SEO title, Learn on Page SEO in 2019. So that's okay. I'm using the focus keyword inside the SEO meta description. The SEO meta description is this one. And I'm using Learn on Page SEO there as well. And I'm using the focus keyword in the URL, Learn on Page SEO in 2019. So that's okay. The focus keywords appears on the first 10% of the content. If we go to the post, on the first paragraph, I'm including the keyword that is learn on page SEO basics. Here, learn on page SEO basics. And the focus keyword is found in the content. Yes, is here, is in the first paragraph, and is also here on this subheading. Okay, if we move on to the next checklist, the URL is 55 characters long. Remember that the recommended length of the URL is 75 and no more than that. So we are good. This is 55. So we are okay there. And focus keyword found in the subheadings. This is a subheading. This is an H2 subheading. And here, a heading 2. So that's also good for SEO. And that's why it's green here, this item on this checklist. And the focus keyword found in image add attributes. Here in WordPress, you can add images from the media library. So I'm going to show you how you can set the alt attribute here. And let me show you. So here is the alt text attribute here, and this is the target keyword. So that's why we get a green here on this check. Some things about keyword density. The focus keyword and combination appears 2 times, so that's good. You are linking to other resources on your website. Yeah, there is a link here at the end. Here. Okay, you haven't used this focus keyword before, so that's good. I didn't use this focus keyword in any other content or in any other post in my website. So that's why we got green here as well. And the focus keyword used at the beginning of the SEO title, that's another good thing. We are including the focus keyword here at the beginning of the SEO title. And what else? We are using a number because we are saying that learn on page SEO in 2019. Here is the current year, so that's why we get green here as well. And about content readability, we are using short paragraph, so that's good. That improves readability, that creates more engagement, a lower bounce rate, which is good. And we are including a video that is actually a YouTube video that I published a few days ago. There are some things that we need to improve. We already seen that we need to add more content here to at least reach 600 words. And I need to add outbound links, the same here. And what else? The Flash readability score is low. So this is some kind of test that analyzes the text, and it seems that it's not that easier to read. What you need to do here is to follow this checklist, these guidelines, and make all the changes required here in order to improve the SEO of your page. So that's all I have for today. Thank you, and I see you on the next video.